Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Legend. The Mahindra Jeeto Mini Bus is a game changer in the commercial transport segment, offering an ideal combination of affordability, efficiency, and practicality. Designed to cater to the growing demand for cost-effective passenger transport solutions, the Jeeto Mini Bus is a compact yet spacious vehicle perfect for urban and semi-urban areas. With Mahindra's strong reputation for durability and performance, this minibus stands out as an excellent choice for businesses, schools, and shuttle services. Built on the proven Jeeto platform, the Mahindra Jeeto Mini Bus boasts a modern and ergonomic design that maximizes space utilization while maintaining a stylish and contemporary look. The front grille is bold and aggressive, giving it a premium appeal despite its small size. The sleek headlamps, aerodynamic body structure, and well-defined lines add to its overall aesthetic appeal. The vehicle's compact size makes it ideal for maneuvering through narrow city streets and crowded areas while still offering sufficient passenger capacity. One of the biggest advantages of the Jeeto Mini Bus is its highly efficient powertrain. Mahindra has equipped this vehicle with the reliable m-Dura engine, which is known for its superior fuel efficiency and minimal maintenance costs. The latest BS6 compliant engine ensures a cleaner and more environment-friendly performance while maintaining a perfect balance of power and mileage. The refined gearbox offers smooth gear shifts, making driving effortless, even in heavy traffic conditions. With a low running cost, the Jeeto Mini Bus becomes an attractive option for small business owners, transport operators, and fleet managers looking to maximize their profitability. The interior of the Jeeto Mini Bus is designed with passenger comfort in mind. The spacious cabin layout ensures that passengers have ample legroom and headroom, making it a comfortable choice for both short and long journeys. The seats are well cushioned and ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue, ensuring that passengers experience a smooth and comfortable ride. The large windows provide excellent visibility and ventilation, while strategically placed air vents help maintain a pleasant cabin temperature. Whether used for school transportation, employee shuttles, or local transit, the Jeeto Mini Bus offers an unmatched level of comfort for its category. Safety has always been a top priority for Mahindra, and the Jeeto Mini Bus is no exception. The vehicle is built with a strong chassis and a reinforced body frame that provides excellent structural integrity. The braking system is enhanced for quick and effective stopping power, ensuring safety in all driving conditions. Equipped with seat belts for all passengers, the Jeeto Mini Bus ensures that safety is never compromised. The anti-roll design and excellent suspension system further enhance stability, making the ride smooth even on uneven roads. The vehicle's compact size also contributes to better control and maneuverability, reducing the risk of accidents in tight spaces. In addition to its affordability and efficiency, the Mahindra Jeeto Mini Bus stands out for its low maintenance requirements. The robust build quality and reliable engine components reduce the need for frequent servicing, making it a cost-effective investment in the long run. Spare parts are easily available at reasonable prices, and Mahindra's extensive service network ensures that vehicle owners have access to quick and efficient support whenever needed. The low cost of ownership makes the Jeeto Mini Bus an ideal choice for entrepreneurs and fleet operators looking for a dependable vehicle with excellent return on investment. Another significant factor that makes the Jeeto Mini Bus an attractive choice is its versatility. It can be used for various applications, including school transport, employee commuting, last-mile connectivity, and intercity shuttle services. The vehicle's ability to navigate through traffic-congested areas while still offering a decent passenger capacity makes it a preferred choice for transport businesses. Additionally, Mahindra offers various customization options to suit different business needs, ensuring that customers get a vehicle tailored to their specific requirements. Mahindra has also focused on making the Jeeto Mini Bus a technologically advanced vehicle by integrating features that enhance both the driver and passenger experience. The driver's cockpit is designed for convenience, with a well-laid-out dashboard that includes easy-to-access controls and an informative instrument cluster. The ergonomic steering wheel, comfortable seating position, and light clutch mechanism make driving effortless, reducing driver fatigue. The vehicle's suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. With the ever-increasing demand for affordable and efficient transport solutions, the Mahindra Jeeto Mini Bus is set to become a leading choice in its segment. Its blend of fuel efficiency, durability, safety, and comfort makes it a well-rounded vehicle for commercial transport needs. Whether you are a small business owner looking for an economical passenger transport solution or a fleet operator seeking a reliable vehicle to expand your services, the Jeeto Mini Bus offers everything you need in a compact and budget-friendly package. Mahindra's commitment to innovation and quality is evident in the Jeeto Mini Bus, making it a standout product in the competitive commercial vehicle market. With its low operating costs, superior build quality, and excellent after-sales support, it is an investment that guarantees long-term value. As urbanization continues to grow and the need for reliable transport solutions increases, the Jeeto Mini Bus is well positioned to meet the evolving demands of the industry. It is not just a minibus, it is a smart mobility solution that brings efficiency, affordability, and comfort together in one package.